Hey guys, Steve Douglas here with Monster Rod Holders. I want to take a second here and share a little tip with you guys on how I install braided line on either bait casting reels or spin casting reels. The trick I like to use is put my braided spool in a bucket of water. I like to soak my spools in water before I do. I feel like it takes all the air out of the braid itself. It makes the line smaller in diameter, it makes it tighter, takes the air out of the line, and you're able to put it on the reel a lot tighter. This will help you with backlashes and the line embedding into the line. You're able to put this on so much tighter when it's wet. So I hope this tip helps some of you guys. If you'd like to see more, hit subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Happy fishing, everyone.